Hi, I'm Emma and I'll show you how you can find help for your modeling challenges in Mobius. So as an LCA and PCF software company, we know that modeling your products and calculating their environmental footprint can be very challenging. And for that reason, we've built a lot of resources to get help to you in our software so that you can just quickly resolve your problems and move on with the next step. And I'm going to show you these resources in this video. We're going to start with the picture-in-picture video player, which is a new feature that we have recently introduced, and you can find it on the Workspace home in the bottom right corner. And essentially what this is a video player, and this allows you to play videos and tutorials in the software. So let's say, for example, that I'm modeling a product and I'm trying to model the electricity data sets, but I can't find the right one and I'm a little bit stuck. So what I can do is go to the Workspace home, scroll through this list of videos and find the right video. So in this case, an electricity datasets video will maybe help me. And then as I click on it, the video will appear in Mobius and I can move it if I want. I can make it bigger or smaller by using the right corner, and I can watch it in that way. And what's really nice to know is that if you're watching this video and you get the insights that you need, you can just drag it somewhere and you can just go to any page you want. So you can go back to the product you're working on, do the things you have seen in the video, and then if you need it again, you can just get it back and watch the rest of it. Now, of course, you don't always feel like watching a video and maybe you just can't find the solution that you're looking for in the videos, or you have a different preference. So what we also have available is the Help Center widget. You can find this widget on any page in the software in the bottom right corner. And if we click on this, we get this pop-up and you see a few things. So first off, you can book a free appointment if you want. So this would be a meeting of 20 minutes with one of our experts, and this person can hopefully help you find a solution for your problem, or at least get you in the right direction. You can also get help through leaving us a message and opening a ticket, and we'll chat with you and try to guide you to the right solution. But of course, the quickest way to solve your problem probably is by searching in our Help Center. So in our Help Center we have way more content than the videos. We also have articles, and what I can do is just look for something that I am having trouble with, like electricity data sets, and I can just open this article in the side panel and read through it. So here you see a lot of information, also a video. If I want, I can make this a little bit bigger or smaller again. And like with the picture-in-picture videos, I can just move wherever I want in the software, do my thing, and the page will stay here. If you want to, you can also temporarily collapse it and then go on modeling and open it when you need it again, just by clicking on the widget icon. So this is another really useful way to find some resources to solve your problems in Mobius. So in this video, I've explained to you the resources that we have available in the software to help you with your modeling challenges and to quickly proceed. If you have problems and you can't solve them with these resources, or you can't find the right information, please get in touch with us. We're very happy to help. And good luck modeling your own product footprints.